Hey there, fellow adventurers! Ever felt like you're just a little more prepared this time around? Whether you're tackling a new challenge or just embracing your growth, our This Is My Second Rodeo design is here to celebrate that vibe of confident déjà vu. Imagine this. You've just nailed your second big presentation, or maybe you're mastering a new hobby with that extra sprinkle of experience. Our This Is My Second Rodeo design captures that essence perfectly. It's about having the wisdom and the swagger to show for it. It's a playful yet powerful reminder that you've been there, done that, and now you're ready to do it even better. Picture this design on your favorite items, from a cozy lightweight hoodie for those casual, feel-good days, to a stylish racerback tank top that tells the world you're a pro at life's little surprises. How about showing off that confidence on a kid's t-shirt? Perfect for your little one, who's just as ready for their own adventures. And don't forget the classic t-shirt and graphic t-shirt ideal for any day when you want to let everyone know you're rocking your second rodeo with style. Wait, there's more! Spice up your space with our wall tapestry or poster, perfect for adding a touch of personality to your room. And for those daily routines, our travel mug, bath mat, and throw pillow bring a dash of humor and wisdom into your everyday moments. Plus, our iPad case and iPhone case ensure your tech accessories are as stylish and confident as you are. Feeling crafty? Check out our spiral notebook and jigsaw puzzle, both great for capturing your ideas or unwinding with a bit of fun. And let's not forget our zipper pouch, tote bag, and fanny pack essentials for anyone who's on the go and ready for whatever comes next. So why wait? Embrace your inner rodeo star and celebrate every step of your journey with our This Is My Second Rodeo design. Grab your favorite items now and show the world you've got this, and you're only getting better. Happy shopping, and here's to many more rodeos ahead.